Hi everyone. In this video I'm going to restore my sister-in-law's hope chest. And this hope chest was built about 50 years ago by my father-in-law, and it's been in storage and it's in pretty rough shape. I'll talk about the top when we get to the top, but basically there's a bunch of loose boards and I'm using a glue and pin nails to tack it into place. Now I let it dry overnight between each section. So I'll do this at the bottom and the top. There's also loose boards at the top. Basically I just put glue and then I'll weight it down and use pin nails to tack it into place, and then just let it set for overnight. And then like I said, there's some loose boards at the top also, so I'm just using the same method. I'm using glue, and then I'll clamp it into place and then use a pin nailer just to secure it. And then the top here, you can see the stains. This was stored with cleaning supplies on top of it. So the cleaning supplies leaked and destroyed the top. I tried to sand it so I could just restain it, but the stains were not sanding out. So I decided to paint. And there were some gouges, so I'm just putting wood filler. And then I'll let it set overnight. And then here's where I begin to paint. So the paint, I wanted to reflect the cedar color, so I got approval from my sister-in-law to go ahead with this color. and she likes it a lot. So what I'm going to do is put several coats on the top, and I'm also painting the sides of the top and the bottom trim just so it matches. And then this is the final coat. I'm using a roller so it goes on nice and smooth, and I've sanded and painted at least 3 times by this point so that the final coat can be really smooth. And I'm using a indoor-outdoor high gloss paint. And then this is the last step. I'm using Murphy's cleaning oil, and I'm just going over all of the areas that I didn't paint, and I think it came out really good. So thank you for watching.